How to use vivid camera filters in iPhone. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use the vivid camera filters in iPhone. So if you want to use the vivid camera filters on iPhone, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, launch the camera app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your camera on your iPhone, you have to select the mode here. So you have to select the photo mode. Once you have selected the photo mode, here you have to just navigate to your so here, once you are on your photo mode, you have to tap on the filter icon. So you can see the overlapping circles. Tap this tab. So here you have to just go and tap on the this option. Like once you are here, you have to scroll down. So you have to swipe up to the right, and you will find the overlapping three circles option, which is known as the filter icon. Just tap on that, and after that, you have to scroll through the filter and choose the vivid. And here you can see the vivid option in your iPhone like this. After that, you can go back and you can capture your photo after applying the filter like this. After after that, your video after that after applying the filter, you can simply snap your photo like that. So this way you can usually use the vivid camera filter in your iPhone. So the vivid filter enhances color saturation and contrast, making photos more vibrant and eye-catching. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.